Hi everyone, it's Roy. I'm in the Treasure Center. Before I start pulling a couple of orders this morning of things that sold, I want to give a shout out to all my new subscribers. I wish I could name you all, but the video would be way too long if I did that. But I feel humble and blessed that you subscribe to my channel. I hope to keep putting out good content and videos that you enjoy and show things that you like to see. I have a lot of knowledge to share, and hopefully that every time I put a video out that I can put something new or teach something new that you may not have known about. If you're new to my channel, thank you for watching. Um, I just I I'm just feel very humbled of all the new people that's watching the video, and so a big thank you, a real big thank you. And if you watch my videos and you go to the link to my eBay store, and in the store you see anything that may have mistyped or put down wrong or something, please feel free to let me know in these videos. If there's something you'd like to see more of or know more about, uh, please feel free to comment. I'm getting a lot of positive comments, a lot of good knowledge or good information of things that I need to share with you. So, keep on going and keep on letting me know what's happening. And again, thank you very much. And let's go pull some orders. All right, everyone, before I go pull the other orders, let me tell you about the first item that sold was last night. And I went ahead and wrapped it up. I wasn't going to have it in the video. It's an I Love New York t-shirt. It'd been sitting on the shelf for a while. The person gave me an offer of $6, and so I said yes and accepted the offer of $6. Okay, I do sell clothes on eBay. I don't sell a lot of clothes. I'll stop by and thrift stores or something. If I see something that stands out to me, I'll pick it up if I think it's something that someone else is going to like. It may not be the best brand name item, but it's going to be clean, or it's going to be new, not worn. It's going to be a good looking item. I don't sell on Poshmark or Mercari or Amazon at this time. Right now, I focus on is eBay. If you sell on those other places, that's good. It's good to branch out and sell as much as you can to wherever you can to get different audiences and so forth. So just know that on eBay, if you have clothing items, they might sit a little bit. Like I said, that one had been sitting for about 3 months, and the person that offered me $6 for it, I took it. I think I had it originally listed at $9.95, so it was good. I didn't pay but probably 25 cents for it, so I accepted the $6. All right, so the next item I got to get is up here. It's Cobra S3 Max. The buyer paid $49.95 plus shipping on top. So that was a really good buy because I bought this at a garage sale. I bought two of them, or two golf clubs. I paid $5, so this is $2.50 fine. So $49.95, that's a good flip. Plus I said they paid the shipping on top. All right, at that garage sale I was just telling you about, where I bought the golf club I just sold for $49.95, and I bought another item. That's not it. That's what I used to sit in. That's what I used to sit in. Now I sit in this. I got a rolling chair for $5 at that same garage sale. I couldn't pass it up. It's not brand new, but it doesn't have any rips and tears in it. It works fine. It lifts up. Let me just demonstrate. Yeah, buddy. That's a whole lot better. Now I can sit in style. Okay, I thought I was done with all my items to ship, but one more just sold here. And it's right there. And it is a Miranda Lambert It's a Miranda Lambert CD. It sold for $7.95 free shipping. This is one of the items that I just recently listed. I didn't pay, but about, I don't remember, paid less than $1.60 for it, and it was a good little deal. Now I did put free shipping on this, and that's good because it wasn't worth a whole lot, but $7.95 is a good amount for a 25-50 cent item. I just got back from the mailbox. I got a package. It's from my YouTube friend Matt over at Part Time Pickers. If you haven't seen his channel, check it out. He's got a wealth of information, some good products that he's put out on his videos. So let's go open it up and I'll show you what I got from him. Alright, so I already opened it up at the top because it's very hard to open packages and hold a camera at the same time. But alright, anyway, so this is what I picked up. If I can get it open. I might have to get some scissors. Oh. I might have to get some scissors to open it. Hold on one second. I'm gonna apologize for this. Alright. Oh. There we go. So this is what I got. It's a Oakland A's vintage rainbow lunch pack. I got the lunch pack because I used to live in the Bay Area in California, and I was going to put it in my collectibles, but I hang it up here for right now. That way I can look at it. Thank you, Matt, my YouTube friend. I appreciate it. Hope you do well. Hi everyone, it's Roy. If you're wondering why I got a different shirt on, well, it's a different day. Yesterday I only had a few items to sell. There wasn't much going on, so I didn't record much. I had a lot of other things I needed to take care of, so I thought I'd combine it with what sold this morning. So you're watching 2 days worth of sales, so that's why I've got a different shirt on. The first one we're going to get is this box right here. If you notice, I got it marked. This is how I keep track of my inventory for some of the things that I've already wrapped up and packaged. That way I can take care of them, especially when I was moving around and I was transitioning from having all this stuff stored inside the house to putting it into this eBay room that I started about a month ago. So, oh, this side, what is this? This is a Marvel, it's a Marvel Gardens of the Galaxy raccoon Hallmark Christmas ornament. It sold for $12.60 on sale, free shipping. Remember that it is that time of year right now. We're getting ready to head towards holidays to think about. Half the year's over already. So for resellers, you want to make sure that you go and start looking for the Halloween items, Thanksgiving, Christmas items. You want to start stockpiling, getting ready for when the wintertime comes and there's less garage sales. Fortunately, I live down here in South Texas, so garage sales get less frequent, but since it stays warm pretty much all year around, we have garage sales around, so I'm able to look for stuff all the time. But for those of you where the climate's different, it gets colder, garage sales stop because summertime is over, make sure that you start looking for those holiday items for the holidays, and also look for the other items you can kind of stockpile to resell to keep your pile going throughout the winter time. All right, the next item that's sold is up here on the shelf in this bucket. All right, it's a pair of Sergeant collar insignias. I had a few of them that I had picked up, sold it for $7.15, free shipping. All right, the next item that I sold was in this box of billiard chalk that I told you about. Color, there we go. All right. It's I'll show it to you over here. It's a box of colored chalk that I picked up. I told about it in another video. The billiard chalk, where I picked them up for $1 a piece. I sold this one for $6.07 on sale, free shipping. So the last item that I sold this morning and last night was this Aerosmith Get a Grip CD. I sold it for $6.50, free shipping. These I noticed a lot of these items are small and there's a lot of free shipping on it. That's okay, because they're only items. A lot of these items are only thing I paid $1, 50 cents, 25 cents for. So again, making a few dollars, it's always a good thing. All right, so we had 2 days worth of sales. The total on that was $118.36. I think that's pretty good. A lot of them had free shipping, and that's fine. I sell a lot of items that I pick up for under $1, 25, 50 cents. I turn around and sell them for a few dollars, make a little profit. I always do calculate that my shipping cost and eBay and PayPal fees into all that. So it was a really good last 2 days, I think, for me. I do sell other items to make a profit. I told you in other videos I run across jewelry. Pretty soon I'll show a video or make a video somewhere in the next upcoming week or two about looking for gold and silver. I was raised when I was little. My dad owned a gold silver coin shop after he retired from the Navy. We did a lot of flea markets, coin shows, trade shows. So I grew up learning about gold and silver. That's how I got started. Then like I said, we went to flea markets, trade shows, and I learned all about reselling. And you know, when you're a little kid and you go find something in the trash, go do some dumpster diving, go find some items for free, or even go to the trade shows, coin shows, flea markets, garage sales, find different items and get them for real cheap and turn around and make $1. I was always happy when I was a little kid doing that. So that's how I grew up and learned doing this reselling business. I've been reselling for well over 20 years. I had this eBay shop for about 8 years, and so I hope that the videos that I'm showing you have some good content and you're learning a lot. But one thing I got over here that I've been looking at on this screen is something I wanted to show you. I sold this back in May to let you know that I do come across some items, plus I'll put it up on the screen somewhere up here. But there's the computer. There's RK Treasure Center. There's a 14 karat gold ring, 1 carat, size 7. I sold for $1,525. So I put it on auction. I came across it. I knew it was going to make some money. So I do come across some things. Jewelry, coins, gold, silver. It's things I look about. Like I said, I'll come across a week or two that I can have time, and I'll put a video together on how to look for gold, how to look for silver, good ways of checking it. In fact, I think I've got a silver necklace around that I used to hold on to and show other people that it's actually made in China and it's not real silver. You could do the magnet test to it and it won't pick up, the magnet won't attract to it, just like gold and silver won't. But one thing about fake jewelry that's like that is a lot of, and I don't want to badmouth it, but a lot of Chinese jewelry that you buy that says silver, it may be stamped 925, which means sterling silver, but it's made out of nickel and silver plated. So it's not solid sterling silver. And you're paying for something that you think you're getting as silver if you buy it online or something, and it's not. So and I'm not saying that's always the case, but when you go and buy things like that, make sure you're buying from a reputable source, or make sure it's an item that you can physically touch or check. Again, look at where you're getting it from and feel confident that what you're buying is the product that you're receiving. But hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to share it, subscribe it. I really like making these videos, and I hope I'm putting out some good information to y'all. So thank you, and have a great day.